prominent constellation of our evening, and that is, of course, Scorpius. Scorpius is the primary winter constellation, and that's why it's so high up in our sky. However, you will also notice that it's shifting away from the north, and gradually it will go towards the west. So this marks a shift in our seasons. So we are also moving away from our winter. We have passed the peak of our winter, and that's what this constellation tells us. And there in that constellation of Scorpius, it's worth noting Antares, which is the biggest star in that constellation. And we will also look at Antares in relation to our sun as far as its size is concerned. That will follow a bit later. Slowly disappearing towards the west, observe Virgo tonight, just above the horizon there. And in that constellation, we have Spica, which is the biggest and the prominent star in that constellation. Right, so in the high southwesterly direction behind us, we can see this small but significant constellation. This is the Southern Cross or Crux. This is the smallest of 88 official constellations. Even though it's small, we always have to mention it. Right next to it, we have these two bright stars, Alpha Centauri and Beta Centauri. And together, these are known as the pointer stars, and that is because they point us towards the Southern Cross. And our pointer stars are actually part of a constellation known as Centaurus. And you can see it's wrapping itself around the Southern Cross there. Now, Centaurus is part of the Southern Hemisphere constellation group. So we have different groups of constellations, and we can see now from the east there we have Aquarius, Capricorn, Sagittarius, we saw Scorpius, and then Libra, followed by Virgo. These are the zodiac constellations. They are the more popular constellations. So these are basically partitioning our sky into two quadrants, to the north and the south. So towards the north there, we can see the Northern Hemisphere constellation group, which is highlighted in the orange line art, and that means the remainder of our sky is being occupied by the Southern Hemisphere constellation group, where Centaurus and various more belong. So a broad overview. You don't have to necessarily cram all these constellations. The idea is to make you remember or know that these exist and how they are positioned relative to us here in the Southern Hemisphere. And as we go about our evening, this is how they animate from east to west, similar to our sun and our planets. I will freeze time for a moment so that we can see a little bit more beyond our constellations as they are dominant at the moment.